How to add note to Instagram Reel. To get started, first of all, open up the Instagram application on your phone. You will then be taken to the Instagram homepage. Here, you can view posts and stories of your friends or people that you follow on Instagram. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on the reel icon. Here, you can view Instagram Reels. Now tap on the send icon on the right side of the screen as shown. Here, you can choose the accounts you want to share the reel with. Go to the bottom section and swipe left to find the Add Note option. Tap on this option. Now add a note as shown in here. After that, tap on the Share button to share it with your followers that you follow back on Instagram. So, by following these steps, you can go ahead and easily add note to Instagram Reel. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helps you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.